rolling. Runner?
Yeah, a little crusty.
I got fucking auto too. Autopilot.
Yeet, yeet. Yeet, yeet. Just lost one. Just lost one. Tube. Dude, I gotta get back over there. Come on, man. Just got some fight. Smallmouth on the fox. I'm on a California crawdad rig. Oh, there's another. Oh man, dude, I just lost another real nice one. Just hopping it, twitching it and hopping it. That was a nice one too, but it twisted the lure, so you didn't have the hook. I gotta admit, this kayak is probably the best thing I ever purchased. Like, beyond anything better. Anything, like, fucking totally awesome. There's another one. Decent one. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Joel, net rig. Oh, fuck you, come on. Go around. Come on, buddy. Smallmouth. Oh, third one on the net rig. Let me see it. That's on there fine.
Yep, but it'll come off.
It'll slide off there?
Hold on, how do you do it though? What's going on?
There's a method to the madness here. 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 Pull me in.
I got a Timmy.
You got a predator. Maybe that's why I thought it was a murderer. My boat's name was Predator. Dude, you can use this thing 100 times over with this on here.
How long?
10, 15 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds.
I was wondering, they had to do something.
Oh boy.
What?
Getting a little shallow over here. Yep. Just gonna have to come up. No, I never heard of that.
Huh?
Never heard of it.
Walleye.
Yeah, let's move out. Different spot, man. Ain't shit happening over here.
We should just throw our kayaks up and go to the top of the river.
I don't have waders with me though.
With our kayaks?
Oh, go to the top of the river with our kayaks?
Yeah. We don't even need to take that out, dude. We'll just slow roll it all the way up there.
What, you mean like just not putting them back in the boat, right? Just fucking getting them up there?